Hello students, welcome to all in English grammar video classes of class 7th. I am Ajay sir from Ramkrishna Vivekanand Vidya Mandir. In this video, we are going to study about a very important topic of English grammar, and today's topic is adverbs. Okay students, so listen carefully. Adverbs is the fifth number kind of participle speech. So let's begin. Adverbs is the 12 number chapter of your course English grammar book. Okay, students. Uh, in this chapter, we are going to study about the definition of adverbs and the kinds of adverbs. First of all, we will focus on definition of adverbs. What is definition of adverbs? So adverbs are words that modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It means adverb means kriya visheshan, yani adverbs are words that shows the quality of a verb in a sentence and the quality of adjective and the quality of another adverb. Students, we can understand with the title also. Adverbs. What is the title? Adverbs. Here add means adjective, add means student adjective, and verb means just like the kriya, and adverbs, adjective, verbs, and in a total we can say adverbs. So it means a word which shows the quality of verb, adjective, and another adverb, that is called adverb. Okay, now we can understand about adverbs with the help of examples. Student, just I have said a word that modify a verb. How can we know this word is, that word is telling about verb? So look in a first number example. He runs fast. He runs fast. And in this sentence, fast word is adverb. Fast word is adverb because this word is showing the quality of run. And this word is showing about the quality of runs. How does he run? So he runs fast. So fast is here adverb, and here fast is qualifying the quality of run. Okay. In second number example, Sonal walks slowly. Sonal walks slowly. Just first and second number example that show the quality of verb also. Sonal walks. And how does Sonal walk? Slowly. Slowly word is adverb here. Okay. Now in third number example, this example tells about adjective. Yani a word that shows the quality of adjective. Ronnie is a very good boy. Yani students, in this sentence, very is adverb. But how can we say very is modifying the adjective word? So just in third number example, good is adjective. Yani Ronnie कैसा लड़का है? तो Ronnie is a good boy. So that very word is modifying the quality of good. So very is here adverb. Okay. Now next number example, just same. She is very intelligent. And in this example, very word is also modifying the quality of intelligent. And intelligent is here adjective, and very is adverb here that shows the quality of intelligent. So very is called here adverb. Now last number example, Ram runs very fast. In third number definition, and word that shows the quality of also another adverb. And a word we shows the quality of another adverb. Just in first number example I have just studied, he runs fast. Fast is here adverb. Just in the last number example, Ram runs very fast. And fast is here adverb. But in this sentence, very is adverb also because very is modifying the quality of adverb yani very adds the more quality of about fast. So very is adverb here that shows the quality of another adverb, and fast is another adverb. Okay, so just with the examples of adverbs we can understand about adverbs that are shows the quality of verb, adjective, and another adverb. Okay, students, there are 7 kinds of adverbs. One by one we will study. First number kind is adverb of manner. Second number kind is adverb of place. Third number kind is adverb of time. Fourth number kind is adverb of frequency. Fifth number kind is adverb of degree. And sixth number kind is adverb of reason. And 7 number kind is adverb of affirmation and negation. One by one we will focus on the kinds of adverbs. Okay, first number kind is adverb of manner. In this kind, student, the action is done, but the sentence, the adverb word shows about the answer. How? We can learn about with the example. She speaks fluently. She speaks fluently. In this sentence, fluently is adverb, but in this sentence, how is preferred, and how does she speak fluently? If in a sentence shows about how, that is called adverb of manner. In second number example, he talks politely. Same condition. How does he talk? Politely. So politely is here adverb of manner. Okay. Now second number kind, adverb of place. Place means jagah. An adverb that shows about place, it indicates about where. Where is God? So suppose that someone is giving the answer, God is everywhere. So everywhere is a adverb of place, and that indicates about a place. So God is everywhere. The everywhere is adverb of place here. Next example, a farmer is waiting there. And where is a farmer waiting? To there. There is a place. So we can see here there is adverb of place. Now third number example, third number kind, adverb of time. Time means an action which is done, but in that sentence we should about when the work is done. When an action is done. Suppose that example, he will meet you tomorrow. And when will he meet you? To tomorrow. Tomorrow means it's a time. So here tomorrow is an adverb of time. Suppose that he had come yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday is time. Next number, four number kind. Four number kind is adverb of frequency. Frequency means that adverb is shows about how often. How often means repetition. And Raj goes to a school regularly. It means he goes to a school daily. So regularly is here adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. Next, fifth number kind is adverb of degree. Okay, students, in this kind, an action is done, but the sentence is showing about how much. Especially adverb word shows the quality of that words, which indicates about how much. Okay. Now example, Rupali was very tired. In this sentence, already look here, very is used here, and this word is indicating about how much. And how was Rupali tired? To very tired, and both thaki thi. So very is adverb of degree. Next number kind, sixth number, adverb of reason. Reason means cause, which shows about the any reason about any cause, that shows karan. Okay. Now example, Mohan was unhappy because he could not go on a tree. And in this sentence, because is a word that shows about why. Why Mohan was unhappy? Because he could not go on a tree. So because is here adverb of reason, and because is called here adverb and adverb of reason. Okay, students. Now last number kind 7 number adverb of affirmation and negation. Yani an adverb which shows about affirmation and negation also. Okay. The teacher will never allow us to go out of a station. And which word is adverb in the sentence? To never. Never word is showing about affirmation and negation. But in the sentence, this word is showing about negation. मतलब नकारात्मक. So never is called here adverb of affirmation and negation. So this type of this thing we can identify the adverbs in a sentence. So according to kinds of adverbs, you have to learn about this, and you can also make the exercise of chapter number 12. Okay, students. So watch this video carefully and learn about the kinds of adverb, and also make the exercise of this chapter. We will meet again in next video. Okay, bye everyone.